Good evening, students. Now we are moving toward this unit. This topic is for textile chemistry 6th semester students, and it is in the continuation of the previous video. And we were discussing in the previous video, that is about your pricing. We have discussed the meaning of the pricing. That is the one of the important element of your marketing mix. We have discussed some of the objectives while we are determining the price. Now we are going to discuss, that is in your syllabus also, that what are the factors that affect your pricing decision. The pricing decision is influenced by many of the factors, and we should consider all the factors while designing your price. So first factor, you can say that the marketing mix. Under the marketing mix, like, it's not easy that because if you are just changing in the price, so whole of your marketing mix is going to be changed. Like, if there will be a direct impact on the production, there will be a direct impact on your you can say that your promotion, your distribution. Every part of your marketing mix is going to be affected if you will touch the pricing. So it means the marketing mix is having a proper effect, you can say that proper effect or a major effect on your pricing. Next one is the product differentiation. As you know that customer is, that they will be just you can say that they will be convinced, or they are trying to pay more prices by just looking the features of the product, by looking the package of the product. Means that is just according to the fashion. So that's a new style is there in your product. So it means product differentiation is also one of the major factor when we are designing the price. If we will consider all these factors like styles and your package, so obviously the pricing is going to be affect. Next one is the cost of the product. It is also one of the major part of your pricing, that when we are just making a product, so obviously the cost is going to be incurred, and the cost of production and the pricing, both are important aspects in the organization. So cost of production or the cost of the product, both the thing is, that affect your pricing decision. That if you are having a more cost of production, so your selling price is not be less than your cost, otherwise you will just get a loss from that. Next one is the objective of the firm. As you know that there are so many objectives of the firms, like one firm can be having an objective to maximize the sale, one can be like they're trying to increase the goodwill. That time one of the organization can have objective to increase the sales revenue, trying to maximize the market share, increase the customer volume. So these can be the objective for any of the firm. So one thing is that when we are designing our objective, so pricing policy, like, it should be established only after proper consideration by proper consideration of the objective of the firm. Means what is the objective of the firm, and accordingly we are going to design the pricing. So that will having a great, or you can say that the direct impact on your price. Other factors like demand is also having a great impact on your price, like market demand for a product, or you can say that for a service, obviously having a big impact on the pricing. And since your demand is also be influenced by many of the factors, like the number of the size of the competitors, the prospect buyers, their capacity, the willingness to buy, there are so many factors that a demand is influenced. So obviously that demand is also influence your price. Next point can be like the competition. It means that obviously when we are entering in the market, so competition is always there. Obviously now we are also facing some competition nowadays. So what happened that we have to show our product in such a way that either it should be equal to the competitors, or you can say that you should not be so much lower than your competitors. So we should make a price by judging or by analyzing your environment, by analyzing the competitors policy. It should not be like that we are trying to fix so much less in comparison to your competitors. Next factor that can affect your price, that is your suppliers of raw materials. Like if we are having, if the cost of the cottons is going to be increased, so obviously he will just supply these kind of material on a higher price to the manufacturers of the you can say that manufacturer of the yarn, manufacturing of the cloth. So obviously the cost is going to be increased by 1 and 1. So the thing is that supplier is having a great impact while designing the price. Next one is the economic condition. Obviously economic condition is having a great impact on the pricing policies, like the inflation and the deflation tendency affects the pricing policy a lot. Next important factor is the buyer. Your buyer is just like the customer is a king of the market. So whatever the things we are producing, whatever the services we are offering, it's just for the customers. So they are having a impact on the pricing. The nature or the behavior of the buyers is just going to be changed with the brand or with the service. So we have to analyze that what is the tendency of the customer in that particular segment, how they are buying, on which price they are buying, what is their ability to pay for that product. So every kind of category or every kind of criteria we have to analyze while designing your price. So buyer is just having a impact on the price. Government policies, obviously government is having a continue eye on the, or can say that on the private sector, that they should not charge so much high to the customers for the product. So we should take care the policies of the government while designing your pricing policies. So these are some of the factors that affect your pricing policies under your marketing mix, and that thing we have to keep in our mind while designing your pricing policy. I hope this topic is clear. So in the next video we will just complete your distribution channel. Till then, have a nice day. Take care.